Duca specializes in collision repair equipment, commercial vehicle maintenance planning, hydraulic system solutions. Exported to USA, Australia, Korea, Netherlands, Germany. Duca is supplier of body shop Saab, Benz, BMW, Ford, Volkswagen. Duca insists on win market with quality. Take customer demand as responsibility. Tiger 7 Plus is the most advanced, best sellers of collision repair bench, efficient, compatibility. Bring your benefits. Compatible with any brand of cars. Sheet metal repair. Applicable to all. Automobile/workshop. Convenient and fast installation. Electrostatic powder spraying. Good adhesion. Heavy resistance. Cleverly designed hydraulic system. Easier to fix and adjustment. High efficiency. The jaws of main fixture ensure the safety of the vehicle. Multi-degree pulling tower. Rotate all degrees along the platform. Adopts 10-ton hydraulic system. High pulling force. Meeting any crash car repair. Straightening fixture in any position. Specific anchoring for Benz. Made repair of high-end cars. Modular positioning fixture for all car models. Universal positioning fixtures can meet the chassis fixing of various vehicles.